Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable notification in your Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Now go to your account. Now press on the setting button. Now you can see here the option of notifications. Press on this. If you want to enable your notification, you just have to press here enable notifications. Now you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable notification in your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.